How to fix your device or TV is not part of the Netflix household for this account issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First step is to verify Netflix household settings. So, open Netflix on a device connected to the primary household Wi-Fi and then go to Account Settings on your browser. Now, under the Netflix household section, confirm or set up your primary location. Step 2. Connect to the primary Netflix household. Take the device to the primary household if possible and connect to the same network to verify it's part of the Netflix household. This may remove the restriction for future use. And step 3, you can update your account settings for additional access. Log into your Netflix account and then go to Account Settings and select Manage Extra Members. Add the device or user and pay the additional fee. Also, make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, connect to a proper working internet connection. So, these were a few fixes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.